Want to know how to add your Discord username in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you have opened it up, here you should be seeing various options. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to log in order to move this interface out here. So once you are on this interface, here you should be seeing on the top left side this Replit icon, right? This small Replit icon. So you can just simply under its arrow, select under its arrow. Here you can see profile, just simply select it. And now once you have selected profile, here you should be seeing edit. So you can just simply edit your profile, and you can just simply scroll down a little bit until you see your Discord username right here. So you can just simply select it and then just type in your Discord username accordingly. And once that is done, you can just simply select save and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.